Gaza fans, what not going to do with Alkaline? You don't see what go on in Barbados? You don't see what go on in Barbados? You don't see the choir with the Barbados?
A few moments later.
Hold on. And then Gaza fans, me you say Alkaline can't perform. You don't see the Barbados show? Boy, me don't know Alkaline do it.
2,000 years later.
Make we talk truth, no man. Alkaline, Massacre, a hit maker them. Vybz Kartel was a hit maker. Damn! To all you Gaza bloggers, who no little boy with just a coming at this. Let me tell you something. When you look on the profile picture on J Progress profile, when you see one plaque up there, a levels game. Me watch the Sumfest 2026 last night. And me pray a thing. And me say, you see why fans fi come out a artist business and go on like them want take up artist business pan them head and play it out for artists. Me will tell you know why.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Go on, you don't know one Media Fox pan here, you see me? Yeah man, people big up on yourself, you know. You don't know Media Fox go up. You must say, yo, how Media Fox are dropping content themselves? Remember, Alkaline always say, I always remember that line. From your work, you have the family. You understand? Yeah man. From your work, man, you have the family. You see it? Yeah man, you see. So people, J Progress found out matter about the Barbados show. You understand? Yeah man. I talk about boy John Wodak. Yeah man, yo, you know say J Progress a craft man, you know. Yeah man, a craft man, man. Me say man, you can see say man a vlog, you know. And the man a laugh while he say it, you know. Understand? But me gonna make you know see what I go on. You understand? Yeah man, people remember this. Alkaline I go there. Antigua. You understand? Weekend. You understand? The 26th. You see it, so look out for that. It now go normal. Let's say about Sheldon Bahamas. You understand? Imbo Bahamas. Barbados. You see it, so I don't know normal people. Just look out for that one there. You see it. Mad thing.
Gaza fans, what not going to do with Alkaline? You don't see what go on in Barbados? You don't see what go on in Barbados? You don't see the choir with the Barbados? Sumfest went bad with Mavado and Vybz Kartel, but the choir will go on in Barbados with Alkaline. It come like, you know think we are going to just breeze past that? Alkaline of Barbados, like a choir. When you hear Alkaline say, pussy, 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 I want him, I want if he understood. When girl, good girl.
Yo, dog, yo, they will give J Progress a medal, brother. Yo. Yo, dog, man, tell you. Yo, people, we're there, and we have to live life. Yo, we have to just watch and see and entertain, yeah, man. Yo, YouTube, me I tell you, say, yo, life just sweet, people, me I tell you that. Yeah, man, life just sweet, man. Once you have life, anything possible. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, but I don't know, but we don't know, say, Alkaline, the Girl Good and the La La challenge are going with the Caribbean country, them. You see me? So, look out for Antigua weekend. I go see what go on. You don't know. Guyana one, mash up your place. Barbados one, mash up your place. You understand? You don't know. Weekend at July, Antigua. You don't know in October the August the 22nd. Yeah, you don't know. A Trinidad that. I want next one that, you know, people. Yeah, man. The youth powerful. Me I tell you.
La 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 la. I want hug. Sure. Me say. Sumfest not have the choir there. And you have Mavado and Vybz Kartel at Sumfest. And me don't know what to do with Alkaline still, you know. All me can tell no Gaza fans, you know if you go kidnap Alkaline and go left him somewhere in the desert or something to get rid of him. Because, brother, if one little youth have that impact there, even a wicked impact at a show, what are you going to do? Why? God help you know. Alkaline, me don't talk. Me don't talk.
Well, them not see nothing yet, you know. Them not see nothing yet. Remember, Alkaline tell you, them not see nothing yet. You understand? Hold up them stress. Yo, just what flower go on, man. Me I tell you that the youth are gonna shell down the place. You see me? Yeah, man. So look out for weekend. You see me? Antigua and nothing normal. You see it?
Hold on. And in Gaza front me, you say Alkaline can't perform. When I see the Barbados show, why? Me don't know Alkaline do it. But it's sad to say, you know, Alkaline performance these days. Me don't know what going with Alkaline. But Alkaline performance these days, all of these show what I do. If you should compare Alkaline performance to Vice Cartel performance, it make it look like Vice Cartel want a wheelchair on stage.
John, no, J Progress, you can't do that, bro. You can't say that, brother. John, no, dog. Man, say Cartel want a wheelchair. Judge your youth.
Me say, Alkaline performance these days make Vice Cartel look like him want a wheelchair, and when him stand up out of a wheelchair, him want one walker with him man. I just say truth. Me say the way how me see Alkaline lock down back arm. Well, Guyana is coming up. It's coming up. And make we be fair. Me know we can speak truth in this. Vice Cartel do some fest. And
No, man, no Guyana. Antigua. You understand? Antigua forward, no Guyana. Could do Guyana already.
him do great. Can't take nothing from him some fest. No care how me say, me no rate the Gaza no more hard. No care how me a beat some little idiot blog over the Gaza. You can't take nothing from Vice Cartel some fest performance. But you see Guadeloupe, nobody not talk about it, you know. Guadeloupe show flapping, you know. I be a fuck with Cartel look on the stage of Guadeloupe. Cartel lose all him vice. Really and truly, in a Guadeloupe, Cartel could have just sit down in a chair and then play in song them. Because really and truly, I just song them then play out. Because when he reach a Guadeloupe, arrest Cartel when he arrest, but actually he might be sure already if he doesn't do it. Because trust me, Guadeloupe show flap. Compare Guadeloupe show to the Bahamas show with Alkaline do, and then no come back and tell me something.
No Bahamas, Barbados. You understand?
I could talk truth, no man. Alkaline, Massacre, a hit maker them. Vice Cartel was a hit maker. But them days they done. We all know. Any song Massacre job, any song Alkaline job nowadays, it is a certified hit. It ever run the street. Yes, when the album drop, anytime the album drop, it's going to be a different ball game. Believe me when me tell you that. Anytime we don't hear the album drop. Me don't know about you know. But we're going to hear what Gaza fans run out and I say big thing. Alkaline and Massacre. Dancehall feed them right now. Don't get me wrong. Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Mavado, Vice Cartel. Them all song make them legend in the game. But that new era dancehall, yeah, them just can't keep up. Just believe. To all you Gaza bloggers, who no little boy will just a come in at this. Let me tell you something. When you look on the profile picture on J Progress profile, when you see one plaque up there, a levels game. I am a certified blogger. Who know a hurry come up, who know a turn on phone and I make nice. Me tell you already, who know some little puppy, who know go and eat on the puppy show and grow up before you ready for this. Me hear some little man a ball, J Progress, me know you see me video them, me tell you already, me see every video. But you know worth me time. A levels game, me no know no. Nobody no know no. You not get no clout off of me. See if I...
Yo, judge you. Cause some of the time I see man and I say, yo. You see, you know me realize, cause I see some of them, you know, people. And me no know, some of them, me no know them. But when I realize, when it comes to the Gaza and the Vice Cartel thing, you know, you have some people just fouled out just for jump on a hype. So, through the J Progress, I beat the Gaza and a bag of things, see? Enough of them run out because they want to get a little clout. So, them just start this J Progress and a bag of thing. You understand? Just forget the cloth. You see it? I just saw them operate, but I don't like them really and the body really. You see it?
Clout look more y'all look. God go with you know. When you go eat puppy chow and grow up till you turn big dog and then you're not ready for this. When me look, me see 500 million video. J Progress. What you do? One little blagger J Progress, when you roll out the whole Gaza army for. And what's so? When you couldn't send one blagger for me, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. We don't need the entire Gaza for J Progress. I see why we're not afraid to make a blag for vendetta or genocide. I see why we're not afraid. I see why we're not afraid. But me tell you a long time, I am the type of blagger where we wipe out every blagger we say them a blagger in the Gaza. I want to know that. Think about it. Everything we have a phone in the Gaza. J Progress, J Progress, J Progress, J Progress. Hey boy, J Progress. It's actually funny. So, let me tell you something. It's serious. If them have to mobilize the entire Gaza, everybody will say Gaza, who are blagger, who are no black, everybody will say Gaza who have a phone after J Progress. It's serious, you know. Me did tell you already. Me am not a regular blagger. I want to know already. There is no blagger, no potential blagger, no Gaza, we have no phone. We're not gonna learn.
Jaja. That's why I always tell them, you know, if them they have the strength to buy the artist music, you understand? Yeah man, I put him on #1. You see me, I support the album them. Would that be a better thing? But I guess, you know, some of them, because you have good Gaza fans and you have the one them not no sense. You understand? So the one them not no sense, rather than support them artist music, them morely invested in a just dissing people and all of them little things. You understand? Yeah. Them left for them own life, turn on camera, attack a bag of thing. You understand? I just that. That's all them do. You see me? Sometimes I wonder if them really actually there for the music. You see it? Yeah man. So I just one of them thing there. You know them have the most mouth. You see it? But if it just make them go and talk, you see it?
No, me never address you by name, because no have no name over there. A levels game. We are certified blog around here. We know a turn on phone pan video and a chat. Me tired to tell you no. A levels card. We not ready yet. We know in this league yet. We know, brother, take on the time. Go to look video. Take time post them. Get 2 likes, get 2 views, get 2 following. And take time build up on yourself. When you not get to a certain level, when you not reach one little level and J Progress see you know and say, you know saying come like him have little potential and so we can shoot him from now. It's different. But right now, we know a little puppy blogger. Eat on a puppy show and take time grow up. Creep before no walk. It have to start from somewhere. Me know it have to start from somewhere. But take on the time, build up on yourself, and then you come again. None of you know say you know do blogging over the Gaza. Not ready for J Progress yet. You know they nowhere near, not even close. So you take on the time, turn on your phone and do no little chatting. I don't address you know. Me no look pan you know. Me no know no name. That is the reason why we just do what we do out here. Believe. Me watch the Sumfest 2026 last night. I'm a prayer thing. I'm a say, you see why fans they come out a artist business and go on like them want take up artist business pan them head and play it out for artists. Me I'll tell you know why. Me did it last night. I watched Mavado and Vice Cartel on the stage and the unity what them have. I know and the love what them share, the brotherly love. But it's the same time me I say, you know how much man dead for Gully and Gaza when the war when I go on.
Yeah man, that me always say. That me always say. And them get up every day. I talk about, yo, why the young artists them can't do a move and cartel do? Brother, you don't know what going with the Gully and Gaza thing, bro. I don't feel like say just musical thing alone. You understand? Man dead in a real life and a bag of thing, man get shoot off of everything, me G. So if I this you know how the youth them come to me G, it don't make no sense. You understand? And the thing more even viler right now. You see it? So Mother and Cartel, them do them thing, Zine, although it never create a positive thing where I just musically it get in the streets. You understand? And then peace treaty have to go on and a bag of thing have to go on. So Now true cartel and Movada do that means that the youth them to come do that, my G. You understand? To me right now, I prefer youth them do a lyrical thing on the internet, YouTube or something right now. You understand? Yeah, Movada and cartel thing different. You see me? That has stem from something. Two of them did a brother before them start do what them have to do. You understand? Them a come from alliance. You see me? So that's a different thing, bro. You see, that's why you see today, cause them was once bridging from alliance. Them a par everything them do sang together. Then them end up in a beef. You understand? And then now them just make bygones with bygones and just go and make some money. You understand? So all of that story there no mean say our next artist or next two artists can come do that. Because it's not something mandatory. You understand? If it happen, it happen. You see it? Movada did that defend the alliance. You see me? And then I saw him and cartel start go at it and thing. You see it? And that same clash there kind of stamp the man them in the business. You understand? Movada and cartel, them build each other career. You understand? Them build each other career. Remember say Movada make cartel start to sing J and them little thing there. If Movada was in the space, seeing you maybe wouldn't have this type of vice cartel. You understand? Movada one way if you make cartel, you know, try to multitasking when it comes to putting out songs. You see me sing J and them little thing. Because him did I do a fast DJ and him did I deal with. You understand? So I saw the thing go me G. You see me come about the cartel did dead and when Movada now they say thing different after that. The clash. You see it? Yeah man, so that the people want to invest and put them this and put them life and we are send people threat because them see somebody say something about cartel and I don't know say brother your life and a vice cartel life, you know. Your life or your life. You understand? Sometimes you know get too attached to the artist to where you feel like say yo, you know want diss people and take with people life and all of them things. That don't make no sense. You see me? People say what they want to say. You see it? People say what they want to say. So I just one of them thing the people. You see it?
Real life gunshot was a man dead, a man buried, and them family ball for them. Who them dead for? Them dead for Movada and them dead for Vice Cartel. Look what we come see now in a 2026. Imagine all them man the family, all them man the youths. Imagine them man they in them grave right now. Look and see Vice Cartel and Movada on stage, share a stage in unity and harmony as brothers. And no say, brother, me dead for you in a cartel. And a man no say, Movada, me dead for you because of this Gully and Gaza thing. That's why me tell you no fans. Rate to no artists. Make music, stay away there. If you don't know music, if you don't do nothing in music, you just enjoy the music and consume the music. And that's why I see enough time in the comment section and I say, you see all know a clown, you know. Enough of a clown. Imagine somebody bus shot or somebody in the prison right now. When Gully and Gaza thing when I go on. Because I feel roll them strap and I feel lick down man and baiting and get locked up. How them feel right now? If you know say me dirt a man because of the Gaza. Me dirt a man because of the Gully. And me sit down in my jail cell and watch them on TV right now on one stage in a love and unity. I eat me a show no.
And the thing is that, you know, that's why you see it never in my intention when me I say, yo, I want about me a par with this artist, their own artist thing and all of them little thing there, bro. Me not depend that, me G. Me nah put my life on no jeopardy or what for no artist, bro. You understand? None of that, me G. Especially if me I want fan of one artist. Where me I go see people in a street where me see this artist when me rate and step to them. For what? Where me I benefit out of that? You understand? People say anything what they want to say, bro. I'm not feel like say you have take yourself or your life, go put your life in problems because somebody say something about your artist. Cause at the end of the day, you know, the artist now say nothing. You understand? Sometimes I feel like people get too emotional. You either think say the artist are them brother or them father or some cousin or family. Sometimes the artists not even know them. You understand? Them are just some fun. You understand? And that's the problem. Threat and want this and all of them little thing there. You see me? And sometimes the artists not tell them to do nothing. But because them so invested, that's the problem. You understand? People say anything if they want this artist and this artist. You see me? Only thing me not go advise a man say, yo, don't threaten the artist. You understand? Don't threaten the artist. You see it? That's all. You see me? But people this artist, people this people every day, all of them thing there. At the end of the day, who gone to them family, way. Because half of the internet is a different thing. You understand? Yeah, man. So the people them who well invested, oh, yo, that boy, this me artist, me a step team. That don't make no sense, me G. Because at the end of the day, you know, if you do that person, that's something, you know. See, and you end up at prison and get 15 years or maybe 20 years. Who you think I go pay a lawyer fee? Yeah, artists not pay a lawyer fee. And that me I tell you who go take care of your kids. Artists not go take care of your kids if you have kids. So if you want to put yourself out there and all of them things, them G, you know, make no sense. You see it?
A whole heap of things you have to understand. That's why I'm telling you, say, me the blogger we go work on the eye. That's why me just only go clone and talk about this and that and way and say, me have to laugh. Me I say, you see, you know, you know no sense, you know. You don't realize, say, what you see artists and artists out here got you. Next year, the artists them can turn friend. And that you have to know. Look, Gully Gaza mash up the place. Go ask anybody in my time. When Gully and Gaza are war. If I know me and my friend them are rep Gaza and have a flavor unit gang run. No boy. We don't go and go check them. Me could have been a prison too. Me could have went there prison too in them time when they are school. Ice brick full up with bag, chopper full up with bag. Ratchet knife, everything, be a thing. All kind of something. Be a darkness. You know how much youth get stabbed up in a school. You know how much fight broke. You know how much. Be a sitting go on. I hit me a show, you know. And look how we come see today. Ask anyone of my friend them from them time when Gully and Gaza war thing go on. I hit me a show, you know. So now if you understand, look where we are today. When we see that last night. It's a great look for dancehall and entertainment. But remember, say real life darkness when go on night. Enough man they dove cut, made arrest, and all these type of places where them have the headstone right now, where them family go to put on flowers all the while. Who them dead for? Gully and Gaza war. Man they are prison right now, where Gully and Gaza war get them there. Because them lit down man because of it. Believe when me telling you that. Wise up, J Progress, I'm not fool out here. Believe.
Yeah, man. For real, man. Life get taken and a bag of thing. That's why I see certain things, I don't even follow it up. You understand? Because we're there to educate the people them as well. You see me? And explain the facts. You know, show them the situation. Highlight the past. You understand? Yeah, man. We're not there for, you know, push no badness and all of them little things there. That's a waste of time, brother. Either you go grave or you go jail. Life too sweet for me meds and next man for badness and ray over somebody where maybe not even know me. Somebody when I put a pot on my table and all of them little things there. You understand? Or a food on my table or I pay my bills. You see it? But we're there for just keep the people them active. Because remember we're there vlogging and you have people who watch a vlog every day. You know, at least them have something where they can watch. Somebody where them can listen to. You understand? If them go through something, them say, yo, I'll pull up media facts on YouTube there. You understand? So, I just one of them thing the people. The badness thing, a two place alone you're going to end up, you see it. So, we not really seem like Alkaline say, yo, we not to push certain thing in the music. I just music we focus on. You understand? Yeah. The whole of we there for music. Once you rate an artist, and music make you there. Because if an artist never do music, you wouldn't even care about him. Or maybe hear about him. You understand? So, any little thing where outside of the music, you're not supposed to get caught up in that. You see me? The only somebody if you get caught up in a them circle situation that if somebody a try rush the artist and them are the security for the artist. You understand? But otherwise as a fan, you're not supposed to say, oh yeah, put your life I go rush man and all of them thing there. That don't make no sense, me G. Waste of time that. You see, but people, you don't know one media facts pan up. You see me? Big up on yourself. That is it.